I'm sharing with you 3 things you can do to get your home in perfect market condition before selling. The first thing you can do is have a pre-listing meeting. Meet with your agent before you list to go over which repairs are really worth it. Not every fix is worth your hard-earned money, so invest in repairs that will improve your home's condition and net you a higher return on your investment. The second thing I recommend is choose between cosmetic and maintenance repairs. Most repairs fall into one of 2 categories: cosmetic repairs and maintenance repairs. A good strategy likely involves doing some of each, so work with your realtor to find a balance that fits your needs. Proper repairs expand your buyer pool. The condition of your home is the most important factor you can control when selling because it expands your buyer pool. If you do the proper repairs, you'll have more offers coming in from better qualified buyers.